Today's another, I don't know, boring cooking, cheating cooking. Not curry this time though. Stew, creamy stew with milk in it. Oh, this is different. Oh, the one I had before was like same as the curry one. It was just like cubes. But this is a powder. This is weird. Basically the same, just you add milk at the end. But yeah, it's another 20 minutes. 20-minute boiling one. Which sucks. I need oil at the bottom. Quite a lot. Yeah, I used the second half of the tofu as well. I was just gonna use up everything, I think. I can put cabbage in this. Nice creamy cabbage stew. Yeah. Yeah. What other ones they say you should, what ingredients do they say you should use? Yeah, some kind of meat, chicken or pork or anything. Onion, potato, carrot. I'm doing things my way. My way or the highway. I'm gonna do the same as yesterday. Put all the chopped stuff in there. We just need to use these up, because bean sprouts go out of date very quickly. It's too dark. It's a dark, rainy day today. Should be very tasty. A couple big chunks in there, but that's alright. Whatever. Remember that from High School Musical? No, Camp Rock. Whatever, Major Loser. I definitely didn't watch Camp Rock multiple times. I remember when I was like 6 at school, like outside of school, I like broke my, I didn't break it, I dislocated my left wrist, and I was in hospital for a while and I had a cast on it. And I went back to school with the cast on. The first lesson back, I don't know why, it was like random, I don't even know what it was for. I've never done anything like it before. It was just like peeling potatoes or something. And they made me do it with my cast on. They were like, yeah, go ahead and peel these potatoes. What? I only have one arm. I just sat there like uselessly just like doing this to a potato while my left arm's like this. What were they thinking? Why? Whoever that teacher was an idiot. I was 6 as well. Let's at least put this on the heat. Not too high, just to get it warmed up. Let me get oil in this pan already. The chicken. This is too much veg. I'll just put some pepper. Chicken doesn't need to be completely done. Probably like that is alright. $500. Something like that. Put the water in and just put the lid on, right? This needs to boil for like 20 minutes. Look, here's a... Is that showing up? Male jumping spider. Wait, 250 grams? I don't have a scale, I forgot. Wait. 150 milliliters, thank you. Oh, it's getting really thick now. I'm too lazy to cut it. so I'm just gonna rip it instead. Boom. Mmm. It's a lot of milk. Here's the creamy white color now from the milk. Looking good.